What's up, guys? Welcome back to Dame Untamed. For those of you who are new here, my name is Nikki, this is Scuba Max, and this is my adventure channel. Today, we are at Mount Washington here on Vancouver Island. Now, we are super cool, I'd like to add, because what did we do yesterday?
We went diving with sea lions, no big deal.
We went diving with sea lions yesterday. We waited our 24 hours so that all of the nitrogen bubbles can escape our bodies. And now we are in the mountains and we are going snowboarding, and somebody is gonna try to ski. We'll see how that goes. But if you look out the window, this is the condition that we are here in right now. It is like the most wintry wonderland that you've ever seen in your life. So wish us luck that we can actually get out of here. We're gonna hop out into the snow and have a great day. Let's do it.
Alrighty.
Cool. Love getting ready in the backseat of the car.
So much
Look at the snow. This is crazy. Show everybody the snow. It's nuts. We were just driving in the pouring rain 2 seconds ago.
Oh man. And these are the shoes that I decided to wear. Hello.
Oh my god. Almost face planted into the snow. By the time we get onto the mountain, we're gonna have to leave.
Yeah. It's gonna take us 2 hours to dig the car out and freaking get out of
Seriously,
here.
oh my gosh. Time for you to go get your gear. Into the snow she goes.
Wait,
Off to go stupid skiing for your stupid mental health. Pizza! Pizza your way through! Yeah! Look at you! You're wet and red. Are you having fun? No. Yes, you are. You're having more fun now. We have sun, finally! We have not seen it all day, and now it's not even snowing, and we have to leave! I am so good at rails. Alrighty guys, that is all for today's vlog from Mount Washington. As always, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell on your way out so you don't miss my next upload. I'll see you guys next time.